We're going to explain how to split a large file into multiple smaller files. This is useful for managing large datasets, backing up data more efficiently, or simply making a file easier to handle. We'll cover a few different methods, focusing on command line tools for their versatility and power. Using the split command, Linux, Mac OS. The split command is a powerful tool built into most Unix-like operating systems. Lets you split a file based on size or number of lines. For example, to split a file named mylargefile.txt into 10 MB chunks, you would use the command split v10mem mylargefile text mylargefile text. This creates files named mylargefile text I, mylargefile text abi, and so on. To split by lines, say 1,000 lines per file, you would use split el 1,000 mylargefile text mylargefile text al. The option can be added to give numerical suffixes instead of alphabetical ones, making the resulting files easier to manage. For instance, split dl 1000 mylargefile text. 2. Using Python. Python offers flexibility and control. You can write a simple script to split a file based on size or number of lines. Here's an example that splits by size. Python import osdef split file name chunk size, with open file name rb, as f, chunk num l1, while true, chunk eof, red, chunk size. If not chunk, break with open f/file name, part chunk num, wb, as outfile, write chunk num plus as 1. Example usage, split file, mylargefile.txt, 1024, 10. Splits into 10 MB chunks. This Python script opens the file in binary read mode, RB, reads it chunk by chunk, and writes each chunk to a new file. Remember to adjust a chunk size to your desired size in bytes. A similar approach can be used to split by the number of lines. 3. Using specialized tools. Several graphical tools and applications are designed specifically for file splitting and joining. These often provide a user-friendly interface, but might not be as flexible as command line tools or Python scripts. Search your operating system's app store or online for File Splitter to find suitable options. Remember to always keep a copy of the original file before splitting it, in case something goes wrong during the process. Once you have split your file, you can usually use similar tools or commands, like cat on Linux Mac OS, to combine the smaller files back into the original.